Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain the fingerprint. A fingerprint is the unique pattern of lines, curves and ridges found on the tip of every human finger. No two people in the world have the same fingerprints, even identical twins. And some of the importance of fingerprints. Unique identity. Fingerprints helps identify a person accurately because they are unique to each individual. And next one is the crime investigation. Police use fingerprints to identify criminals, solve crimes and verify suspect. And third one is the security and authentication. Fingerprints are used in mobile phones, laptops, attendance systems and biometric locks for secure access. And next one is the legal and official use. Fingerprints are used in the passports, Aadhaar, voter ID, and banking and other official records. So these are the importance of the fingerprints. And next ones I am going to explain about the types of the fingerprints. Now the conclusion of fingerprints. In conclusion, fingerprints are a natural and permanent form of identification unique to every individual. They play a vital role in personal identification, security systems and criminal investigations because fingerprints do not change throughout life and are impossible to duplicate. They remain one of the most reliable and widely used biometric tools in the world. Fingerprints help ensure safety, accuracy and trust in both legal and technological fields. Thank you.